Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing really well. Today we are going to discuss about data storage and memory. Okay, so let's get started today's chapter, data storage and memory. Chapter profile, memory and memory measuring units. Brain boosting, take the things that are used to store objects. You know very well which of these things are used to store objects. Okay, we already know about the hardware devices of the computer and storage devices which are used to store data in it for future use. All the things we have learned are stored in our brain. Actually, it was your memory that saved all the information for you in your brain, which acted as a storage device. Likewise, computers also have memory to store all data used for performing various tasks and functions. Let us learn what is memory and its function. Okay, students, see, whatever we learn, it is stored in our brain, right? Our brain memorizes all the things. So brain is what? It's like a storage device, okay, which stores all the things. So similarly, computer also has storage device, okay, because storage device, what is the function of storage device? Store all the data which are used for performing various tasks and functions, okay. So let's learn about memory and its function. First, memory. The storage space available in a computer is called its memory. So there are two types of memory. Okay. How much space is available in a computer, that is known as its memory, computer's memory. Okay. So memory are of two types. One is primary and second is secondary memory. Primary memory. Primary memory is also known as a main memory of the computer. Remember that? Main memory of the computer is primary memory. Okay. It is fixed on the motherboard of a computer. The CPU can directly access primary memory. It helps the computer run programs and processes tasks quickly. Now, primary memory is of two types. Okay. First, we learned about memory. There are two types of memory, primary and secondary. Primary memory is main memory, right? Now, primary memory is of two types. One is RAM and other is ROM. Okay. Let's discuss in detail. RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It stores data and instructions temporarily for the computer. Okay, means it will store the data but not permanently, only temporarily. Okay, the data remains in RAM only for the time of processing or until the computer is switched off. Why? Because it stores data temporarily. Okay, that is why you should always keep saving your work. Okay, so whenever you do any work on your computer, you must save it. Okay, RAM is known as a volatile memory because of its temporary nature. Okay, when the power supply is switched off, the stored information in the RAM is lost. So remember that RAM is also known as volatile memory because data is not permanently stored there. Okay. Next, ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. It's a type of computer memory that permanently stores important instructions that the computer needs to start up and function. Okay, so this is the main difference between RAM and ROM. ROM, what does ROM do? It stores important informations or instructions permanently. Okay, unlike RAM, the data in ROM doesn't disappear when the computer is turned off. Thus, it is permanent. Okay, ROM is known as non-volatile memory because of its permanent nature. Okay, because instructions, informations are stored permanently. That is why ROM is known as non-volatile memory. Okay. Next, secondary memory. Secondary memory is that part of a computer where data and files are stored permanently. It keeps your information safe even when the computer is turned off. Secondary memory devices are also called secondary storage devices. First one is hard disk. A hard disk is also known as a hard drive. It is a device inside your computer that stores all your files, programs, and the operating system. It keeps everything safe even when the computer is turned off. Nowadays, hard disks can store up to 2 TB, that is terabyte to 5 TB of data. Okay. See, this is the picture of hard disk. Okay, and this device is inside your computer. Okay, it just stores all kind of files, programs, right? And you can see how much data it can store up, 2 TB to 5 TB of data. Okay, Next, compact disc, that is CD. Compact disc is an external storage device. It can hold up to 700 MB of data. The CD drive reads information stored on a compact disc. A CD drive is usually connected inside the CPU box, but can also be connected using a USB port. Okay, so this is the compact disc here. See the picture. Compact disc or CD is circular in shape. Okay, and it can hold up to 700 MB, that is megabyte of data. Okay. Fact boot. In 1965, James Russell invented the compact disc. Okay, so CD was invented by James Russell in 1965. Okay, remember that. Next is digital versatile disc, that is DVD. DVD stands for digital versatile disc. Looks like a CD but is more advanced. DVDs are often used to store movies. It has a minimum storage capacity of 4.7 GB. To use a DVD, we need a DVD drive. Okay, see, this is the picture of DVD. Now you will say, what is the difference between CD and DVD? Because both are circular in shape. But the main difference is that DVD has more storage capacity comparatively CD. Okay, so it can hold up to 4.7 GB, right? And whenever you need to use a DVD, you need a DVD drive. Okay. Blu-ray disc. A Blu-ray disc is a type of optical disc used to store high definition videos. High definition, you can see HD videos, okay, movies and large amount of data. It looks like a regular DVD, but it can hold much more information, allowing for better picture and sound quality. Okay, so Blu-ray disc here, as you can see here, it is also like DVD, but it can hold much more information comparatively DVD. Okay. The name Blu-ray disc is derived from the blue-violet laser that is used to read and write data on it. It can store up to 25 GB on its single side and 50 GB on its dual side. Okay, means it has two sides. Okay, so on single side it can hold up to 25 GB and on its dual side it can hold up to 50 GB. Okay. Memory card. A memory card is a small portable storage device used to save and transfer data like photos, videos and documents. It is commonly used in devices like digital cameras, mobile phones, laptop computers, MP3 players and video game consoles. They are small, re-recordable and can retain data without power. Okay, see, this is the picture of memory card. This is how it looks. So it is very small and portable also, of course, because of its smaller size. So it is used in devices like laptop or digital cameras, mobile phones. Earlier, these memory cards were used in mobile phones. Okay, so they are small, re-recordable and without power, they can retain data. Okay. Pen drive. A pen drive, also known as a USB flash drive, it is a small portable device used to store and transfer files. You plug it into a computer's USB port to copy or access data. It's like a mini removable hard drive that fits easily in your pocket or on a keychain. Pen drive has a storage capacity of up to 1 terabyte. Okay, see, this is the picture of pen drive. I'm sure you all know about pen drive. Okay, it is also known as flash drive. It is also portable. You can carry from one place to another because of its smaller size, right? And it is used to store and transfer files, right? Crisscross time. Make a list of storage devices that you see around you. Okay, so do it yourself. Fact boot. The first pen drive was invented by the Pua Kane Shing, introduced in 2000 by IBM and Trek Technology and 8 MB capacity. Okay, so first pen drive was invented in 2000. Okay, and it was invented by Pua Kane Shing, right? Memory measuring units. A computer understands a language of 0 and 1 only. So each character, symbol, etc. entered into the computer is converted into a combination of zeros and ones. Okay. See, computer doesn't understand our language, okay, be it English, Hindi or any other language. It doesn't understand. It only understands the language of zeros and ones, okay. So 0 and 1 are known as binary digits. In computer language, 0 occupies 1 bit and 1 also occupies 1 bit, okay. So the following table explains the main memory storage units. Okay, now let's learn about the unit and the description. Number 1, bit, which is also known as binary digit. A bit is the smallest representation of computer memory. Okay, next is nibble. Nibble is what? A group of 4 bits is called a nibble. Means 4 bits make a nibble, right? Next is byte. A group of 8 bits is called byte. A byte is the smallest unit which can represent a data, item or a character. Now, group of 8 bits is byte. Okay, group of 4 bits is nibble and group of 8 bits is byte, B-Y-T-E. Okay. Fact book. The unit bit is denoted by lowercase b and the unit byte is denoted by uppercase B. So this is the difference between bit and byte. Okay, we denote bit by small b and we denote byte by capital B. Okay, so to write 8 bits we use lowercase, that is 8b, while 256 megabytes is written as 256 MB, right? The following table is some higher storage units. So unit and description, kilobyte, that is KB. You can see B is capital here because it is byte, okay? So 1 kilobyte is equals to 1024 bytes. Then megabyte, that is MB. 1 MB is equals to 1024 KB. Gigabyte, 1 gigabyte is equals to 1024 MB, that is megabyte. Then terabyte, 1 terabyte is equals to 1024 GB, that is gigabyte. Petabyte, 1 petabyte is equals to 1024 TB, and exabyte, 1 EB is equals to 1024 PB. Okay, zettabyte, 1 ZB. Okay, you can call it ZB or ZB is equals to 1024 EB, and yottabyte, okay, 1 YB is equals to 1024 ZB or ZB, right? Now revision time. A computer stores data, instructions and information inside a memory which is called computer memory. There are 2 types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. The primary memory is divided into 2 categories, RAM and ROM. Secondary memory devices are called secondary storage devices. Computer understands the language of 0 and 1 only. 0 and 1 are known as binary digits. Remember that, students, that computer doesn't understand any other language except zeros and ones. Okay. Bit is the smallest representation of computer memory and 8-bit makes a byte. Okay, students. So here comes the end of this chapter. Now you will do practice of the exercise of this chapter.